So last week we were at the Yotta Conference. This is the second year that they hosted it in Las Vegas, and today we are going to rate it. This is how I usually rate conferences. We go by location, content, who is there, special, or the X factor, and the value and the potential of it. Okay, perfect. Now with location, it was in Las Vegas, Nevada, right in the middle of the country, more on the West Coast, but it was a great venue right on the strip in the MGM Grand. I will give that an A minus. MGM Grand is kind of at the end of the strip, but not a bad venue. Content. They had the thumb on the pulse, I call it. They had new concepts like AI on the grid, as various as old concepts like certifications and other ways. So it was educational, but also inspiring to show new innovation. I'm going to give that an A. Who was there is really interesting because it's like, how do you get access to VIPs, people that are CEOs of tech companies, industry legends, distinguished engineers? It definitely leaned a lot more on the business side, but there were some great technical people. I'll give that a B plus. Special and X Factor is interesting because I like Yotta's brand. It's very new, it's very hip. It definitely caters to a younger crowd, and that's where it was interesting. They even gave gifts to the VIPs in their hotel rooms. It was a little creepy, but it was cool. I'll go ahead and give that a B. Now, value and potential. This is quite interesting because as a vendor in the data center industry, it's all about who you can meet to make a deal happen. But let's say we take this at a high level. If you're just getting into the data center industry as an operator on the energy side, etc., how do we consider what the value and the potential is? I look at it as who we can get access to, what were the follow-ups, and did the event do a good job of bringing everyone together? And Yada, I'm going to give this an A. So considering everything coming forward, I'll have to give this an A minus. I recommend that you guys go to Yada. Peace.
So what would make Yada an S tier conference?
Oh, okay. Well, I thought you could introduce a brand ambassador program. You can get young people to create content inside the data center industry, pick the best videos, and therefore give them either free tickets or the ability to create more content at the conference. It's a great way to engage the crowd, create viral content, and the ability to get a more younger audience out to Yada. And that's how you make it a S tier conference.